Hi everyone. So this is a love reading for those of you whose names begin with the letter L, and those of you who chose this deck or this stone called agate, which is for healing heart chakra. Now the energy that I can sense of for this group of people is, please don't mind what I say, but because I only say what I can sense of, it's not personal. So what I can sense of is this group of people has some very devilish and negative kind of energy, and as soon as I started to read for you guys, I immediately felt a huge block in my third eye chakra, which is just the opposite to what I read for group number 1, for the same alphabet L. All right, so those guys were having an energy of clearing out their third eye chakra and surrenderance to the divine and their ego. They were almost egoless and surrendered to the divine. All right, they are not operating their relationships with ego. But for this pile, I think each and everything in your life, whether it is your love life or it is your home life, or it is related to your siblings, or is it related to your husband or wife or in-laws or parents or your sisters, I think all of it is directly related to their ego. They operate from their ego, massive ego. They think like they are the god on earth and nobody on earth can beat them in beauty or in in any kind of competitiveness. They are the number one, and I feel a lot of pain in my body parts, which reflect to me that there is a lot of jealousy in this group of people, and these are mostly females who are watching this reading. And so much of jealousy, that if the other person is just trying to do something and they have just entered into a new relationship, started to do some kind of work or anything that was going on since their past, before they met these people, your energies for this group of people are so negative that it is going to create hurdles in the path of those who are divine. All right, so the only guidance that I can give to you before reading for you is surrender to the divine. Do not think that you are God, and get rid of your jealousies. All right, stop getting jealous from females who are better looking than you. Stop getting jealous of females who are sacred and divine, and don't let ego ruin your life. All right, so this is the energy that I can sense of, and it is kind of making me angry, because I am an empath. I can pick up on energies. So this is such a diminution, negative energy. I don't know where and whosoever it is going to resonate with, but please, please, please work on your ego. Your age has nothing to do with the type of respect you demand. If you don't deserve it, you won't get it. All right, so while shuffling, I got this card, which is the devil. Can you just see what I could pick up on your energies and what the cards have to say? Till now, for how many groups I read, I don't know. I think I read till letter K before coming to your pile. So nobody has got this card devil, but for your group, this is the first time that this came out, and what I could sense of even before starting with your reading. So you can expect a devil in your love life: lust, jealousy, toxicity, third party, divorce. All right, and then you also have the emperor here. A lot of involvement with men working at higher positions for money. All right, you will be satisfying them sexually and they'll be paying you money. Bottom of the deck, you have the moon card here. Some of you might have parted ways with your mother in the recent times, and you would hide things from your mother as well. You're not honest with her also. It's only and only materialism, sex, greed, jealousy and ego for this pile. I'm so sorry, and I'm sorry to know that such kind of people exist in the world. All right, so yes, I told you have jealousy issues against females who are divine. The Queen of Wands is here. and there is somebody in your life who is very intuitive, very creative, and you are very, very egoistic of that person, and you don't pay any attention to them. You show that you don't pay any attention to them, but you know, in a way, you're always looking out of the window that what is she doing now, or what this other person is doing now. Is she getting a hold which I am craving for? And that is the reason this pile has a devil card in their energies. All right, guys, so please work on yourself before you expect your love life to go smooth and get a loving husband or a boyfriend. All right, please work on your personalities. Okay, guys.